5 penny stocks to watch in February 2025 as fast as possible. SOBR, a company that specializes in non-invasive alcohol detection technology, recently launched their software platform, SOBR for point-of-care screening and SOBR for continuous monitoring for alcohol compliance monitoring in healthcare settings with real-time data management capabilities. The diagnostic substances manufacturer BMRA received approval from the United Arab Emirates Ministry of Health and Prevention for its Fortel prostate-specific antigen, PSA, screening test. This test detects early signs of prostate cancer by measuring elevated PSA levels, with results delivered in just 10 minutes from a simple finger prick blood sample. The approval signifies a significant step in BioMerica's strategic expansion into the Middle East, where prostate cancer is increasingly becoming a public health concern. Ocean power technology is increasingly gaining more attention because it provides autonomous, zero or low carbon emitting systems with cost-effective data collection, analysis, transportation, and communication, meaning their products and services can be used in ocean and offshore environments for power generating and data collection for actionable intelligence in areas such as ocean research, border security, and military use. RailVision, a company working on railway safety and data-related markets using AI-based detection systems for railways, recently announced a collaboration with Sujan Ventures, a division of technology supplier Sujan Group, with the stated purpose of introducing RailVision safety systems to India's rail market. Guardforce AI, originally well known as a secure cash handling solution provider, continues to expand and diversify beyond secured logistics due to the decreasing use of physical cash. By developing their AI and robotics solutions business in areas such as robots as a service and the Guardforce AI intelligent cloud platform, which manages robots, provides add-on services, and integrates third-party products. For more on Guardforce AI and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.